Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. There's a method going around that claims you can get unlimited stars and coins in Gardenscapes using just your phone. No PC, no extra tools, and no hassle. It sounded almost unbelievable, so I decided to put it to the test. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, and show you what actually happened. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. It's usually right there in your in-game profile or under Settings, easy to spot. I located mine real quick and copied it so it was ready for the next step. Nothing confusing here, just a basic setup step. Next, I opened up my phone's browser. I'm using Chrome this time, but it shouldn't matter which browser you use. I headed to the site people keep talking about and searched for the Gardenscapes Unlimited Stars and Coins hack tool. Everything loaded smoothly. No sketchy redirects or annoying pop-ups, which actually surprised me. On the page, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but iOS was an option too. After that, I was asked to choose how many resources I wanted. For this test, I went with a maximum amount just to see if anything would actually happen. When I confirmed, the page ran through a few progress bars showing different steps being completed. The layout was clean and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains this clearly and even provides a simple walkthrough, so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To check if it actually worked, I opened Gardenscapes again and looked at my stars and coins. The extra resources were already added. There was no waiting and no game restart. It updated instantly. I really didn't expect it to go that smoothly. So, based on my test, the method did exactly what it claimed. The process was simple, mobile-friendly, and easy to follow if you pay attention to the steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more real tests and honest reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, let me know how it went in the comments. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.